I know, look at that. It's like perfect.
And when the sun comes out, the water's crystal clear, so you can see everything inside.
All right, guys, I'm fishing this little swim bait today. We're going for corbinas and yellowfin, croaky, etc. Whatever we could get, really. Beautiful spot here in Malibu. Sunrise fishing, always great. Sucks to wake up, but you know, you get the whole beach to yourself. Pretty views. Doesn't look like we'll have much of a sunrise, but we'll see. It's too cold, so I'm not gonna wade in. I'm just gonna cast right here from shore. Is that a lobster tail? Is there meat on there?
Meat!
What? Should we take it?
No, gross.
Why?
Who knows how long it's been there?
Ooh, that's true. It's a fatty lobster. It's the whole lobster.
I see that.
Should we eat it? If we don't catch any fish, I'm coming back for this. It's a whole lobster right there. Look at that view. Malibu's beautiful. So much better than the other LA beaches. So we've been fishing for a little while, got a couple casts out, but the problem is it's low tide right now. There's so much seaweed right along the shore. So every time we cast out, we're getting stuck, oh crap, in a ton of seaweed. And so we're gonna try, there's this cool pier here, which normally we never really fish off of piers, but this is a special circumstance because we really don't have another option. So we're gonna fish that for a while, see if we get any luck. Hopefully catch us something that we could cook up. I brought all this stuff to cook with, so we better put it to use. That lobster over there, I was tempted to take it. There's a whole lobster that had washed up, I'm assuming during the low tide, but Kang reminded me you don't want to be eating a crustacean that could have potentially been sitting there for a really long time. All right, let's get to fishing. This ain't no Santa Monica Pier.
Catching cook?
Ooh. Got another one? Share the fish, dude. What the hell?
Back to back.
I haven't gotten a single bite. Kang said he saw some fish boiling on the surface, so there might be barracuda. Put on this little Colt sniper. See if we have any more luck. So I didn't have any luck on the pier. Kang caught two little sand bass, but I think I always have such bad luck whenever I'm filming because we went fishing the other night. It was a great night, caught a lot of fish. And then of course, the day I bring out the camera, nada. But still have high hopes. I still have all the cooking gear that we need to use. Kang caught a monster. Oh yeah, he is. Small. Better than nothing. Woo! Where is he? Did he come off? No, he's still on. Oh. Little bass. Oh yes. How sad.
Could have done that on the pier.
So excited for such a small fish. Get out of here, you sand crab. Holy Lord. Fishing's really bad today, guys. I'm telling you. It's the curse of the camera. The fact that I brought a camera, a cooler, and am wearing jeans.
Whoa!
chunker?
I think it's a Corvina.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
No! He came off. Wait, no, he's on.
Bring him in, dude.
Oh, it's a surf perch.
It's a surf perch?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, but he fought so hard. Oh no, it's a yellow.
Oh,
fin.
nice.
Yellowfin
Croaker. Take him. I say if you could get a fillet off of it.
We can get a fillet off of it.
Let's take him.
You're gonna get the fillet.
So that is a yellowfin croaker.
Yep.
Nice. Sweet. What'd you catch that on?
Sandworm.
Oh, the sandworm. Maybe I'll switch to the sandworm now.
Switch. Time to switch.
Time to switch.
All
Good
right.
stuff. I think we're gonna keep this guy and cook him up.
Lunchtime.
Whew. All right, guys. Well, we just finished fishing at the first spot. It was really, really bad. I caught a fish. Kang caught 3.
3.
Got 3, one of which was big enough to keep. So we're gonna go to another spot right now. We're gonna try some fishing there. Hopefully it's a little bit better, but we're also gonna get this guy cut up. We're gonna fillet him, cook him up. I brought a bunch of stuff to cook with, like I said earlier. So that's kind of the point of this whole video, was I was trying to do a catch and cook. It's not my fish that we're gonna cook, but it's the team fish. That's what counts, right? All right, let's get going. It's 11 o'clock. We haven't eaten anything. I'm so hungry we had to stop and get snacks. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're parked along the beautiful coast here, and we are going to, so slimy. This is the fish we're gonna be cooking up. I'm gonna fillet it right here. I've never filleted a fish before actually, so this is gonna be a first. It's probably gonna be pretty messy. We have some water to clean up. Looks tasty. Kang's out here fishing again.
You're gonna want to go in until you feel like the spine.
Okay.
And then from there, you flip the knife like this. And then you go along the spine till here.
Okay.
Then you flip the meat over. And then when you get to that point,
I have to do it fancy like the sushi chefs. I gotta
definitely.
This. Okay. Like right here?
Yeah. So just kind of just saw your way in, you know. Don't go too shallow. You should feel the bone now.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, so now this is the hardest part.
Now
you gotta want to flip the knife, yeah, and then work it the other way. And go along the spine. This is the tricky part.
Know where to grab. Oh, there we go.
You're losing a lot of meat. You're
Really?
going too shallow.
Okay,
Yeah.
go down deeper a
Yeah,
little bit.
down to the spine. Yeah, much better. Keep going down to the spine. Perfect. You're right on the spine now, so run parallel with the body. Okay, stop. And then flip. Okay.
Am I losing a lot? No.
A little bit, but it's okay. It's your first fillet.
Yeah, I think the other side will get much better because
Just
now.
angle the knife a little lower towards the skin, and because the skin is a little stretchy.
Oh, okay.
Unless you put a lot of pressure, you shouldn't cut through the skin that much. You're gonna want to hold it up here, the meat, and then now there you go. Now there you go. So now the blade should just be gliding, right?
Yeah. Is this frowned upon?
The way you're doing it?
Yeah.
Definitely. Whatever works, man. Even though it's not really working. Okay. So
There it is. Ugly.
honestly, you got a lot of meat for your first fillet.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
a good amount of meat.
You need to get the skin off though.
Yeah.
So
now just kind of shave it.
However way you can do it.
Ooh!
Use that as
Chunk,
bait,
dude. Honestly, we should.
Yeah, oh, heck yeah.
There it is, guys. First ever fillet. Pretty cool. Should I take out the bones?
Yeah. Nice. And a little bit more. Okay, stop and flip. Very good fillet.
That one has way more.
Yeah, excellent fillet.
All right, and that's the finished product. My first ever 2 fillets. It's kind of too bad that my first fillets didn't come from a fish that I caught myself, but that's okay. It's a team fish. It counts, right? Counts, right? Counts. All right, we're gonna cook it up now. Super simple recipe, and you'll see what it is. Super simple. We're just gonna be making some really easy wraps with cheese, some onions, and avocado. First, we'll just chop up the onion. All right, lemon, cut that open, get it ready. Avocado, cut that guy open, get it ready. Boom. For the fish, we're keeping it simple like always. Start off with lemon juice. Do lemon on both sides. Sea salt. Cracked pepper. Same thing on the other side. Cracked pepper. And some salt. Now that's seasoned up and ready to go. Oh shit. I got lemon juice in my cut. So I'm over here cooking, and Kane is over here still catching more fish.
Always.
This guy's going off. What is that? Oh, is that some kind of bass, right?
Some kind of rock bass.
Nice. Okay, we'll go ahead and cook up the onions first.
Ever seen someone catch a fish in a fillet?
Alright, those onions look done enough. Put those aside for a second while we cook up the fish. Le fish, lemon sauce, le fish. The fish going on. Oh, there was more lemon. That's a white fish, dude. It's like chicken. Alright, this guy is done. That ended up being a pretty decent amount of meat.
You did a good job playing.
Oh yeah. Now, what we're gonna do something that I saw on a YouTube channel, a fishing YouTube channel. His name is Northwest Fishing Secrets. This is totally his trick. I've never done it. We're gonna try it out. It looks good. Every time he does it, I'm like, oh, that looks delicious. What? Okay. So the trick, basically, you just get the cheese, take our cheese and our tortillas, and we're gonna bind the two together. And to do that, to do that, we're gonna put the cheese right into the pan like that. Yeah. Yeah, right on the pan. Kind of weird, but you'll see. Now you just take the tortilla and you just press it right onto there. Theoretically, what should happen is the cheese should bind to the tortilla perfectly. We'll see. Well, that sucks. That didn't work. I don't know why. There's all the cheese. Okay, so it looks nasty, but all of this is cheese crusties that should have formed directly to the tortilla, but I just peeled them off of the pan. So it looks bad, but I tasted one and it just tastes like crusted cheese. Call it gross if you want, whatever. Is it even filming it? Mm-hmm. Avocado. And fish. Boom. You want that one or is that one me? All right, man, here you go.
Looks great, man.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You. Fresh caught. Whatever fish that was. What is
Yellowfin croaker.
Yellowfin croaker. Fresh yellowfin croaker. I must say, I straight up took this whole recipe from Northwest Fishing Secrets. I've watched so many of his catch and cook videos where he does this exact kind of dish with, he usually does mountain trout because he fishes in mountain lakes and whatnot. So you should check out his channel. It's NW Fishing Secrets. Great channel, cool guy. All right, let's dig in. Well, I gotta make mine now.
First bite.
Bomb?
It's good.
All right, you.
Good job.
Oh yeah. I'm actually gonna just also add hot sauce to my, oh crap, that was a lot of hot sauce. Valentina, you guys know. You guys already know. All right, this looks good. Cheers. Oh yeah. You know, I don't really care much for Southern California, but the ocean here, the ocean is nice. The beach, prime. That was delicious. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys like always for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe even consider subscribing. Go out there and go on some adventures of your own. Live life, beat the status quo. Y'all know the drill. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.